Okay, Ritvika, Harini, everyone, good morning, good morning. Okay, so basically this is what I'm going to ask today. Okay, let everyone join. We'll take 1 minute and let everyone join. Then we'll proceed with it. Okay, Anjali is here. So we have 1 hour. Okay, we have 1 hour. I want to see how many questions you can answer. Okay, okay. So bio, chem, and physics. So I'll ask one liner, and this will be very important for those people who are appearing in state PCS also, जो कि state PCS appear कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? Those who are appearing for state PCS, direct questions will come. I have thousands of questions. Okay. So it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to start. I will not waste a single moment today. Okay. I'll give you few seconds for you guys to answer. Few seconds. देखते हैं how many of you are able to recall what you have studied till 10th class. The first question is chemistry. What is the chemical name for baking soda? What is the chemical name for baking soda? Please write in the chat box. What is the chemical name for baking soda? Or those who can unmute yourself, please. So Soumya Ranjan is the first person to answer. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is the chemical name of baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate. ठीक है? Sodium bicarbonate is the chemical name of baking soda. So this is the first question. Okay. Sodium bicarbonate. Okay. Chemical name क्या है? यार कोई अनम्यूट कर लो, कोई 2-3 लोग अनम्यूट कर लो, so I can talk with you guys, वरना मैं बोर हो जाता हूँ. So sodium bicarbonate याद रखना, sodium bicarbonate. This is the chemical name of baking soda. Okay. This is a current affairs class. Rihan knows it. This is basically a current affairs class. So today I'm taking the questions from science, physics, chemistry, and bio. जो कि आप लोगों ने 10th class तक पढ़ा था. तो I'll ask you the basic questions. Okay. Last time I discussed one operation with you. I discussed one operation with you. So I felt like today I should discuss science. Okay. Next question is a gas is used in packet of chips. एक गैस यूज किया जाता है भाई पैकेट ऑफ चिप्स में, ठीक है? चिप्स के पैकेट में यूज किया जाता है सो दैट वो खराब ना हो. विच इज द गैस? विच इज द गैस? Nitrogen is the correct answer. The first person to answer was Palak Mahajan. Chips in the packet of chips, nitrogen is filled so that the chips does not get spoiled. Okay, 2 questions complete. 2 questions complete. Okay, third question. Answer this question very carefully. Answer this question very carefully. The element which is commonly used for producing electricity by nuclear fission. Nuclear fission के through electricity produce करने के लिए जो element use होता है, nuclear fission के through electricity. Okay, nuclear fission, it is uranium. Right answer. So we have discussed 3 questions. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Gas which is used in a packet of chips is nitrogen so that the chips does not get spoiled. Nuclear fission से electricity produce करने के लिए uranium is used. Clear? Anyone has any doubt till now? Anyone has any doubt? 3 questions. See, I have a lot of questions, so I'll go a bit faster today. Okay, if you want to write it, you can go through the recordings and make the notes of it. Okay, so I just wanted, and I want everyone to answer. Next question. What is used as a lubricant? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है heavy machines में as a lubricant use होता है? What is used as a lubricant?
Graphite.
Very good, Rohan. Rohan answer. Who answered? Komal answer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Graphite is used as a lubricant in heavy machines. Okay, very good answer. Heavy machines में graphite use होता है. Harini, it's not oil. Kritika, it's not oil. Kritika has answered oil. It's not oil. It's graphite. Okay, Good. Graphite is used as a lubricant. Okay. Next question. Apart from hydrogen, which other element is present on sun's surface? हाइड्रोजन के अलावा सन के सरफेस में कौन सा एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है? हीलियम इज वेरी करेक्ट आंसर. द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू आंसर वाज helium is correct answer. The first person to answer was, let me check, all of you are right. Minu was the first person. Apart from hydrogen, the first element जो कि सन के सरफेस पे होता है, it is helium. Okay. LPG. Okay. LPG is what?
Liberalization, privatization, globalization.
नहीं, liquefied petroleum gas. वो ठीक है. Liquefied petroleum gas जो आपके घर पे सिलेंडर आता है. Okay. Which is the major component of LPG? LPG का सबसे major component क्या है? Palak, exactly correct. Palak has given the correct answer. It is butane. It is butane. LPG का major component is butane. Okay. These are 10th class question. Anyways, no issue. I'm here to make you revise that. Propane and butane. Basically, butane and propane both are there. Priksha is right. Okay. Ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere? Ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere? The first person to give correct answer is एक मिनट रुको, let me check. Meenu has given the first person. Meenu बहुत cunning है. Meenu आधे आंसर लिख के छोड़ देते, बाकी अपना देख लो. Okay, ऐसा ही है ना मीनू कि मैंने तो लिख दिया strato. It is stratosphere. The ozone layer is present and stratosphere. Okay. Now listen to the question carefully. An electric iron as a heating element inside it. एक इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन जो हम प्रेस करते हैं उसके अंदर एक हीटिंग एलिमेंट होता है. व्हाट इज दैट एलिमेंट मेड अप ऑफ? वो एलिमेंट किससे बना है? Nichrome is the correct answer. Palak is the first person to answer. Nichrome is a very correct answer. Okay. अगर किसी भी आयरन पाइप को in order to prevent an iron pipe from corrosion, what is done? एक आयरन पाइप को corrosion से रोकने के लिए what is done? What is the process? Soumya Ranjan. No. Soumya Ranjan has given the correct answer. The process is called as galvanization. कि आयरन पाइप में जिंक की कोटिंग कर देते हैं. Got it? आयरन पाइप में किस चीज की कोटिंग कर देते हैं? जिंक की कोटिंग कर देते हैं. And the process is called as galvanization. ठीक है कोमल? Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now Saloni, switch on your microphone. Switch it on. Okay. Yes, Saloni, I have completed 10 answer करना. Which gas is present?
So nitrogen.
Carbon dioxide. Soft drinks में carbon dioxide होता है.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. No issue. Second question. Baking soda का scientific name क्या है?
Sodium bicarbonate.
Right answer.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Right answer. Which gas is used in packet of chips?
Nitrogen.
Okay. न्यूक्लियर फिजन में जो एलिमेंट यूज होता है वो कौन सा एलिमेंट होता है? विच इज द एलिमेंट यूज्ड इन न्यूक्लियर फिजन?
Uranium.
वेरी करेक्ट. व्हाट इज द ल्यूब्रिकेंट यूज्ड इन हेवी मशीन्स?
Graphite.
Very correct. If I don't take hydrogen into consideration, which element is abundantly present in sun? Apart from hydrogen, which element is abundantly present in sun?
Sir, helium.
Very correct. Which are the major component of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas?
So propane and butane.
Very correct. Ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere?
Stratosphere.
An electric iron is made up of an electric iron consists of an heating element. What is the heating element made of? Very correct. iron pipe has to be prevented of corrosion. What will be the process used?
Galvanization.
What is the element used in the process of galvanization?
So zinc coating is there.
Very correct. Okay, now everyone can answer. Good, Saloni. उम्मीद करते हैं कि that you haven't opened your notebook. Okay. Now, एक ऐसा particle, the particle which is required to continue chain process in uranium fission. Fission में ऐसा कौन सा particle चाहिए होता है जो वो chain process को complete करे? Fission में, nuclear fission में. Palak is absolutely right. It's neutron. अगर fission हो रहा है, fission को carry forward करना है, उस chain process को continue करना है, तो neutron चाहिए होता है. ठीक है? Remember this. Okay. Next question is, what is used to increase anti-knocking property of a petrol? Anti-knocking sometimes engine में से, गाड़ी के engine में से एक sound आता है, उसको prevent करने के लिए एक substance use होता है. ठीक है, वो कौन सा substance है बता दो. पेट्रोल के साथ mix करा जाता है. It's not hydrocarbon. There is a substance which is mixed with petrol to prevent knocking sound from the engine. Palak is again right. Tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. Okay, tetraethyl lead. Others, what happened? Am I going fast? Do I need to slow down? Do I need to slow down? So see, I don't mind slowing down. Tetraethyl lead. ये एक सब्सटेंस है जो पेट्रोल के साथ मिक्स किया जाता है. इट इज मिक्स्ड विद पेट्रोल इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट द नॉकिंग साउंड. वाटर गैस इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ व्हाट? वाटर गैस किस चीज का मिक्सचर है? वाटर गैस. Yes, it's correct. Soumya Ranjan was the first person to answer. It is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Okay, it's carbon monoxide. तो ये क्या बनाता है? Water gas. Okay. Brass is made up of. Brass किस चीज से बनता है? Brass is made up of copper and zinc. Correct answer. Brass is made up of copper and zinc. ठीक है? Which type of fire extinguisher is used for petroleum fire? Which type of fire extinguisher is used for petroleum fire? पेट्रोलियम में, जब पेट्रोलियम में फायर लगता है, कोई भी ऑयल में फायर लगता है, तो कौन से टाइप का फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर यूज होता है? Form type. Many people have answered. It is form type. Arpit, switch on your microphone. Arpit, answer fast. Okay, answer fast. Ozone layer is present in which? Rohan, एक मिनट. अर्पित को let अर्पित आंसर. रोहन करेक्ट आंसर है. अर्पित कहां चले गया? अर्पित, I'll get हो. अर्पित लॉग आउट हो गया. कोई बात नहीं, अभी आ जाएगा. अर्पित, मेजर साहब कहाँ हो?
हाय जितिन, थोड़ा सा देखो.
मेजर, कैन यू हियर मी?
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, मेजर, टेल मी, ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere?
Stratosphere.
Cool. An electric iron has an element which heats up. What is the element called as?
Nichrome.
Very correct. An element which is used in nuclear fission to produce electricity.
An
element which is used in nuclear fission to produce electricity.
Uranium.
Okay. Wait, Harpit waits. Satyam unmute. Satyam, a substance is added with petrol to prevent anti-knocking. A substance is added with petrol to prevent anti-knocking. Very correct. So Satyam, water gas is a mixture of water gas.
Carbon monoxide and hydrogen.
Brass is made up of,
Zinc and copper.
okay, zinc and copper. Which type of fire extinguisher is used in petroleum fire?
Foam.
Okay. Okay, now let's continue. When hydrogen starts burning, uh, in air, it produces. अगर हाइड्रोजन को मैं एयर में बर्न करता हूं तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है? Palak is right, water. When hydrogen starts burning, it produces in air. If it is burning in air, it produces water. Water is a byproduct. Okay, water. Remember all this, huh? Mercury is which type of metal? Solid, liquid, or gas? Mercury is which type of metal?
Liquid.
Liquid. Right answer. The Taj Mahal is affected by what atmospheric effect? Like what is the phenomena which is affecting the Taj Mahal right now? Acid rain. Correct answer. The most abundant constituent of atmospheric air. Atmospheric air में सबसे ज़्यादा present होने वाला कौन सा element है? Nitrogen. Right answer. Many people have answered. One after another. Good. What is the ore of aluminium called as? What is the ore of aluminium called as? What is the ore of aluminium called as? Bauxite. Bauxite is the right answer. Soumya, many. Palak is the first person to answer. Which gas is used for converting vegetable oils into saturated fats? Vegetable oil को fat में convert करने के लिए कौन सा gas use होता है? It is hydrogen. First person to answer was Manju. Okay. Chemical name of bleaching powder is? Chemical name of bleaching powder. Calcium hypochlorite. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. Bleaching powder का chemical name है, chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hypochlorite. Aspirin is chemically known as? Aspirin का chemical name. What is the chemical name of aspirin? I haven't got any answer. So Kritika and Palak have answered, but Palak is the first person to answer. It is acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin is commonly known as acetyl salicylic acid. ठीक है? जो wax use होता है, wax used for making candles. Wax used for making candles is a mixture of what? जो wax होता है वो candles बनाने में use होता है. Candles बनाने में use होता है. That is aliphatic hydrocarbon. जो wax होता है जो candles बनाने में, that is aliphatic hydrocarbon. Palak, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
तूने ऑलमोस्ट सारे आंसर दे दिए. लिटमस किस से ऑब्टेन करता है? लिटमस
Lichen.
किस से ऑब्टेन? तूने कहां से पढ़ा?
तो मुझे सपना आया था हाथ में पढ़ाना.
ठीक है. रिवीजन.
Okay.
अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो. ऋत्विका. ऋत्विका.
Yes, sir.
रोहन, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
और एक मिनट. आई वांट वन मोर पर्सन. रिहान अनम्यूट. आप तीनों अनम्यूट करो. रिहान.
Yes, sir.
जिनका नाम मैं ले रहा हूँ प्लीज वही अनम्यूट करना. सौम्या रंजन.
Yes.
प्रीक्षा and Nupur. नुपुर नुपुर
Yes, sir.
ओके दीक्षा का भी नाम मैं लूंगा नहीं दीक्षा ने कहा है सर आइकन अगला दीक्षा है दीक्षा को पुरानी इंस्टीट्यूशन है ओके आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस एंड टेक द नेम ओके यू हैव टू आंसर मी विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ अ ब्लिंक ओके द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा नुपुर
Sodium bicarbonate.
which gas is present in soft drinks Soumya Ranjan
Carbon dioxide.
which gas is present in packet of chips Rihan
Nitrogen.
the element which is used in nuclear fission Priksha
Uranium.
lubricant which is used in heavy machineries Priksha
Sorry, sir.
lubricant which is used in heavy machinery Priksha were you turning the pages
No, sir.
don't lie to me
No, sir.
so tell me the lubricant which is used in heavy machineries
Uh, sorry, sir.
Rohan Rohan Rihan
Graphite, sir.
correct the most abundant material element apart from hydrogen in the sun's surface Ritika
Helium.
right answer major constituent of LPG Ritika
Butane and propane.
ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere Priksha
Stratosphere.
Rihan an electric iron has an element made up of
Nitrom, I guess.
Priksha
Nichrome, sir.
right answer nichrome is the right answer Rohan iron pipes are in order to prevent the iron pipes from corrosion what is the process used
Galvanizing.
and what is the element used for the process of galvanization Priksha
Sir, zinc.
right answer in order to carry out the chain process in uranium fission ठीक है chain process को carry forward करने के लिए what is used Rihan
A neutron, sir.
correct answer in order to increase the anti-knocking property of petrol what is used
Tetraethyl lead, sir.
water gas is a mixture of what Soumya
Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen.
brass is made up of what Nupur
Copper and zinc.
in a fire extinguisher which is used in like putting off a fire in a petroleum product which is the type of fire extinguisher Ritika
Home type.
Priksha mercury is which type of metal
Liquid.
okay Taj Mahal is majorly affected by what
Acid rain. Nitrogen.
what is the ore of aluminium called as Rihan
Sir,
aluminium के ore को क्या कहते हैं
bauxite, sir.
very correct Nupur chemical name of bleaching powder is
Sorry, sir.
chemical name of bleaching powder
So calcium hypochlorite.
Soumya Ranjan aspirin का chemical name
Acetyl salicylic acid.
okay the most abundant element in human body में सबसे abundant element कौन सा है any one of you
Water.
most abundant element in human body Dr. Harini का है Doctor
Is it high?
Yes, sir.
Doctor tell us who most abundant element in human body
So, So if you ask me element, it is carbon, sir. And if it's the molecule, it is water, sir.
Are you sure it
So
is carbon?
element, yes, sir. Carbon is the maximum content.
It is oxygen.
Hmm,
You
I'm
cross
not aware,
verify
sir.
once. You cross verify once. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. You just cross verify once.
Yes, sir.
Cross verify now itself.
Yes, sir.
Now आप 5 लोग please unmute yourself. Now I'll ask the questions again. Meanwhile अगला टर्न ध्यान रखना. I'll take the name. अभी मैं बताता हूँ. ठीक है. Sabina, you will be the next turn. Litmus is obtained from lichen. I have already discussed. Vinegar made by fermentation from cane sugar contains what? Vinegar made by fermentation of cane sugar. Savina. बताएं. Savina is typing something. Vinegar made by fermentation of from cane sugar. Cane sugar के fermentation से जो vinegar बनता है उसमें क्या होता है? Acetic acid is a correct answer. Savina क्या लिख रहे हो? Sabina unmute कर लो.
So you were right, sir. Oxygen is the most abundant with 52 kgs. Carbon is the next following oxygen, that is 14.4 kgs. Then followed by it is hydrogen, sir. Next
Oxygen
is
is
nitrogen.
ठीक है.
Highest, sir.
ठीक है. Vinegar is made by fermentation. Vinegar is made by fermentation of cane sugar. Vinegar जो cane sugar से बनता है उसमें acetic acid होता है. Photooxidation process is initiated by photooxidation process. Photooxidation process is initiated by photooxidation process. What is required for photooxidation process? Yes, ultraviolet light is the correct answer. Okay. You guys use non-stick pans no in kitchen. Non-stick pans जो आप kitchen में use करते हैं. Okay, Sita Pragyan has said my name. ठीक है. Okay, done. It's okay. No issue. Sita, it's okay. Non-stick
स्थित है
kitchen.
सर, स्थित नहीं है, स्थित है,
चीता.
स्थित है सर. राज बुला लीजिए.
क्या बुलाऊं मैं?
राज बुला लीजिए सर.
हाँ, राज बढ़िया भाई. ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नेम है. मैं 2 क्वेश्चन भूल जाऊंगा इसी चक्कर में. ठीक है यार, इतना टेंशन नहीं लेना. ये सारे अपने हैं. ठीक है. अच्छा ये बताओ, जो किचन में नॉन स्टिक यूज होता है, द नॉन स्टिक पैन विच इज यूज्ड इन किचन, इट इज कोटेड विथ व्हाट? द नॉन स्टिक पैन विच इज यूज्ड इन किचन इज कोटेड विथ टेफ्लॉन. द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू आंसर वाज सौम्या रंजन. सौम्या रंजन इज राइट आंसर. यू हैज गिवन राइट आंसर. नॉन स्टिक पैन जो किचन में होता है उसमें टेफ्लॉन होता है. टेफ्लॉन. ठीक है, टेफ्लॉन. ठीक है, तो रिमेंबर दिस. गोबर गैस बेसिकली कंटेन्स व्हाट? गोबर गैस में क्या कंटेन होता है? व्हाट इज गोबर गैस मेनली कंसिस्ट? गोबर गैस बेसिकली कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? गोबर गैस बेसिकली कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? मीथेन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी गुड. मीथेन इज करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. NaOH का कॉमन नेम. व्हाट इज द कॉमन नेम ऑफ NaOH? NaOH का कॉमन नेम.
Sodium hydroxide, sir.
ओके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कोई तो बताओ. नो वन फ्रॉम केमिस्ट्री. इट इज कॉस्टिक सोडा. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज केमिकल नेम. कॉस्टिक सोडा. ठीक है. Now if somebody is having kidney stone, kidney stone. Okay, what is found in kidney stone? What is the element that is found, compound that is found in kidney stone? What is that? Calcium oxalate is correct answer. Dr. Harini was the first person to answer. Palak answered. Calcium oxalate is the element which is compound which is found in kidney stone. Tear gas which is used by police. Tear gas which is used by police to disperse the crowd contains what? Chlorine, correct answer. The common refrigerant, आपके जो घर पे फ्रिज होता है उसमें जो रेफ्रिजरेंट यूज होता है वो कौन सा रेफ्रिजरेंट है? The common refrigerant, freon. It's ferron. It's not ferron, it is freon, F-E-R-O-N. Okay, Palak, it is F-E-R-O-N. Anjali has answered wrongly. The chemical name of rat poison. Rat poison जो हम बोलते हैं, what is the chemical name of it? What is the chemical name of rat poison? No. Harini, it's wrong answer. Zinc phosphide is the correct answer. Which charcoal is used to decolorize the brown sugar? Brown sugar का color हटाने के लिए कौन सा charcoal use किया जाता है? Which charcoal is used to decolorize the brown sugar? Which charcoal is used to decolorize the brown sugar? Animal charcoal is the correct answer. Now you guys have slowed down. What happened? The gas which is responsible for greenhouse effect. Gas which is responsible for greenhouse effect. CO2 is the correct answer. Preeksha, wrong answer. Which is used for, what is the substance used for dating very old objects by archaeological importance? कोई भी पुराने objects का time period पता करने के लिए what is the substance used? Is carbon. Right answer. Many of you have answered. Solder is an alloy of. Soldering iron use होता है ना, वो किस चीज का alloy है? Solder is alloy of. Soumya is correct. It is tin and lead. Okay. Transistor industry में, transistor, what is the major element that has been used in transistor industry? Transistor industry में, Soumya, you should answer, and IITN should answer this. It is a silicon and germanium, right? Transistor industry में जो use होता है, it is silicon and germanium. Okay, so you have completed 50 questions successfully. Now let us again play a revision game. Okay, 33 minutes, 50 questions. You are doing good, quite good. Let us keep a target of 100 questions. Okay, let us keep a target of 100 questions today. Now, who all are willing to take part in that 5 minutes quiz without opening your notebooks? Soumya, unmute. Rohan, ready?
Yes.
Rohan, abhi ho gaya tha na. Soumya and Rohan, you guys have done. Nitin, please unmute yourself. Nitin, please unmute. Nitin, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Soumya and Rohan, wait, huh? Arpit, Raj, Savina, Meenu, and Anjali. Disha, are you ready to open your mic? Okay. Nitin is there. Arpit is there. Meenu is there. Soumya, please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, please. Raj is there. Okay. I'll ask 50 questions. Keep a count. Okay. Palak, Kirti, keep a count. Next target will be Kirti. Okay. Okay. First 10 questions. Let us see who answers the most. Okay. First 10 questions. So let us see who answers the most. The first 10 questions. Ruko. Okay. So anyone can answer. Okay. What is the chemical name of baking soda?
Sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate.
Who was the first person to answer? Name.
Next.
Nitin. Nitin 1. Which gas is present in soft drinks?
Carbon dioxide.
Meenu was the first person to answer, right?
Yes.
Meenu was the first person to answer. मेरे यहाँ पे light जलता है ना, so I can. Okay. Which gas is present in packet of chips?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Why she is very fast. Nitrogen. Meenu 2, Nitin 1. What is the major constituent of LPG?
Butane and propane.
Propane.
Again, Meenu. I'll take the name, okay? Ozone layer is present in which layer of atmosphere? Rohan.
Atmosphere.
Stop.
Rohan. Ozone layer. Rohan, which layer of atmosphere ozone is present?
Stratosphere.
Okay. Abhi ruko. Water gas is mixture of what? Arpit.
Carbon monoxide and hydrogen.
Very good. Gobar gas basically consists of what? अंजलि ने यार वो कर रखा है. Wait. अंजलि headphone. Disha. Gobar gas basically consists of what? Disha. बोलो. नहीं बोलेंगे. Raj. Gobar gas. Very correct. Nupur. Chief constituent of vinegar. Vinegar में सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है? Nupur.
Sir, acetic acid.
Common name of
Acetic
any.
acid.
हाँ ठीक है. Common name of NaOH. Nitin.
Caustic soda.
Nitin, caustic soda. Kidney stone is made up of what? Kidney stone. Manju Paul. कहाँ है? नहीं आज है. मंजू, किडनी स्टोन किससे बना है?
Sir, calcium oxalate.
कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट. ठीक है. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as
Sodium bicarb. Sir, baking soda.
Nindya, you turn on your speakers, okay? सबीना से क्वेश्चन है. टीयर गैस जो यूज होता है सबीना, उसमें जो केमिकल यूज होता है, व्हाट इट इज?
Sir, chlorine.
क्लोरीन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है. यार कुछ क्वेश्चंस. जो वैक्स बनते हैं, वैक्स, ठीक है, वैक्स जो बनते हैं, व्हाट इज द मिक्सचर, व्हाट इज द मिक्सचर यूज्ड फॉर वैक्स? सत्यम गोयल. सत्यम, what is chemical used for making wax?
Aliphatic hydrocarbon.
Right answer. What is the chemical name of aspirin? Saloni. Saloni.
अच्छा.
Sir, antisalicylic acid.
एक और बार.
Sir, pronounce करना नहीं आ रहा.
तो मुझे भी नहीं आता, मैंने सोचा प्रोनाउंस करके बताओगे. अरे इट्स ओके सत्यम, बताओ. सलोनी.
The antisalicylic acid.
पलक
Silic acid.
अभी रुको, अभी सही करता हूँ. पलक अनम्यूट करना. कहाँ गई? इसका केमिस्ट्री पढ़ने का कहीं तो यूज करना पड़ेगा. कहाँ है? नहीं है. हरिणी अनम्यूट करना. पलक नहीं है तो.
Acetyl salicylic acid, sir.
एसिटाइल सैलिसिलिक एसिड, राइट. देखा, यही तो मेरे पास एडवांटेज है. डॉक्टर भी है, मेजर भी है, बायोकेमिस्ट भी है, सब कुछ है मेरे पास. सुनिए सलोनी,
Yes, sir.
हमारा टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए? आवर टारगेट शुड बी, वी शुड गेन लिटिल नॉलेज फ्रॉम हरिणी, वी शुड गेन लिटिल नॉलेज अबाउट डिफेंस फ्रॉम हरप्रीत, वी शुड गेट लिटिल फ्रॉम अमन अबाउट सीए, और वी शुड बिकम आईएएस.
Okay, sir.
है ना? हमारा टारगेट ये होना चाहिए. उधर इधर से थोड़ा थोड़ा ले लो, बाकी इनको बोलो कि अपना अपना देख ले. ठीक है? कितने कितने आराम से बोला ओके सर, है ना? ये नहीं कि अपना नॉलेज भी उनको देना है. नॉन स्टिक किचन वेयर्स में नॉन स्टिक जो पैन्स होते हैं उसमें किस चीज का कोटिंग होता है? वेट आई लास्ट. रिहान,
टेफ्लॉन सर.
बिल्कुल सही बात है, टेफ्लॉन. रुको, आई एम आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. केमिकल नेम ऑफ रैट पॉइजन. Chemical name of rat poison. Rohan.
Zinc phosphide.
Zinc phosphide. It is phosphide. ठीक है. A charcoal used for decolorizing. A charcoal used for decolorizing sugar, brown sugar. Charcoal used for decolorizing brown sugar.
You are now on mute.
Lakshmi.
Animal charcoal.
Lakshmi, your name was not appearing on chat box. Now it is appearing. 3 names were not appearing early. The first name was of Brindavani, Kirti, and Lakshmi. Your name were not appearing, so I didn't take your name. Okay. Now it's appearing to me. You joined now or what?
No, sir, I was there from before.
Your names are just showing. Brindavani, Kirti, and Lakshmi. No issues. No issues. Pooja, some people are using micro headphones, no, so I can't ask to them. Who all are using headphones? Anjali is using headphone. Nindya is using headphone. Okay. So Lakshmi, soldering iron is made up of an alloy of what? Soldering iron is made up of an alloy of what?
Tin and lead.
Name 2 elements which has application in transistor industry. Transistor industry. Brindavani.
Silicon and germanium.
Very good. Okay. You want chemistry or bio now? Bio or physics? Tell me fast. Shall we go for bio? Shall we go for bio? We'll go for bio. Bio. कहाँ है bio मिल ही नहीं रहा. Okay. रुको. Bio, I am getting bio. Like I have a separate question bank for bio, but I mixed some bio questions from this only. So I'll ask from this only firstly. Yeah. Okay. So let's go for bio first. Okay. Which is a large spectrum antibiotic? Which is a large? Anyone can answer. Which is a large spectrum antibiotic? Large spectrum antibiotic. Ampicillin. ये पलक वापस आ गई. What is a large spectrum antibiotic? Ampicillin. Ampicillin is a large spectrum antibiotic. Palak, explain what is large spectrum antibiotic. Unmute कर लो. Can't unmute. Okay, she'll explain later. एक बायोकेमिस्ट होने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. हरिणी, what is large spectrum antibiotic?
So a large spectrum antibiotic is a one that can attack on large number of bacteria, sir. There is no specific bacteria that it can affect. So it majorly attacks the DNA of the bacteria, so that or the bacterial compound will go and attack the cell surface, so that it can cause a various of chain reactions in the bacteria, thereby affecting the bacteria that is causing disease. So
Let
a
us
large
make
spectrum
Harini, let us make it simple. We don't have to go in that deep. Ampicillin is a large spectrum antibiotic, or it can have a huge impact or large, it can reciprocate to a large bulk of bacteria at a like minimal time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's enough. You want to say something?
No, sir. I was to say that this ampicillin belongs to the penicillin category. So this ampicillin, there are many brands under penicillin, sir. Ampicillin comes under that. There is one amoxicillin also in it. Ampicillin has a effect of diarrhea, while amoxicillin doesn't cause diarrhea, sir. So diarrhea is one of the major factors that can affect in case of ampicillin, sir. So
मतलब
I
जो
just wanted
ampicillin
to
use
add
कर, she just want to say that ampicillin, the use of ampicillin can have a negative reaction. That person using ampicillin can have diarrhea, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I right or wrong? Tell me if I'm wrong. I'm not a
Yes, sir,
doctor.
it's right.
You are a doctor.
No,
Okay.
sir. Yes, that's right.
Now tell me, bones and teeth. Bones and teeth are made up of what? Bones and teeth are made up of what? Exactly what? Bones and teeth are made up of what? I want the exact name. It is tricalcium phosphate. Tricalcium phosphate. Okay. Bones and teeth are made up of tricalcium phosphate. Okay. Now, tell me one more thing. भैया अर्पित कहाँ गए? बाकी लोग आंसर क्यों नहीं दे रहे? कीर्ति hasn't answered yet. निंदिया waiting. नुपुर ने आंसर दिया है. कृतिका. Okay. Angara wool. Angara wool is extracted from what? Angara wool. Angara wool is extracted from what? Which species Angara wool is extracted? Angora. Angora wool. Angora wool is extracted from what? It is extracted from rabbit, Angora rabbit. Okay. Okay. If a person is on fast, एक person fast में है, मतलब he's not having anything. ठीक है? What's the name? And the person is completely physically normal. So what should be the limit of blood sugar in a normal person? Like a normal person is having a fast, which should be the limit of blood sugar? Blood sugar कितना होना चाहिए? If a person is having a fast, and what should be the limit of blood sugar? Now what is MGDL? What is this MGDL? Harini will explain. MGDL, what is this? It is 70 to 100 MGDL. What is it?
Milligrams per deciliter, sir.
Milligram? आवाज नहीं आ रही. It is milligram per deciliter. Okay, so it is 70 to 100. Okay, now 3 questions completed. So last spectrum antibiotic is ampicillin. Bones and teeth are made up of tricalcium phosphate. Like a normal person keeping a fast on a fast day, his blood sugar should be 70 to 100 milligram deciliter. A tree. Suppose this is a tree. Okay, suppose this is a tree. If it is cross sectionally cut, अगर इसको ऐसे कटा जाए तो it has 50 rings in it. 50 रिंग है ऐसे करके, we can see 50 rings in it. So what is the age of the tree? What is the age of the tree? If a tree is cut cross sectionally, it is shown that there are 50 rings. What is the age of tree? It is 50 years. Correct answer. Two bones are held together. Two bones are held together by a tissue called as two bones. Two bones. Ligaments is the correct answer. Ligaments is the correct answer. In human beings, normally which part does the sperm fertilizes the ovum? In human beings, in which part the sperm fertilizes ovum? Fallopian tube is the correct answer. Sperm fertilizes ovum in fallopian tube. Okay. The amount of the components in air do not change in the process of respiration. A component like this component, when we are respiring, when we are breathing, one component in air does not change. What is that component? Nitrogen is the correct answer. Hemoglobin is found in which part of human body? Blood is the correct answer. Meenu has answered it. Kritika has answered it. Blood pressure in human body, हमारे body के अंदर का blood pressure is greater than the atmospheric pressure or less than the atmospheric pressure? Blood pressure in the human body is always greater than the atmospheric pressure. Okay, a genetic development of a brinjal was done. A genetic development of a brinjal was done. This brinjal is called as BT brinjal. Okay, BT brinjal. BT brinjal. Why this genetic development of brinjal was done? इस brinjal का advantage क्या है? रोहन बताओ. Arpit, why this brinjal was made? BT brinjal. Why BT brinjal was made?
Okay, Jithin, this was similar to lines on which was BT cotton, which was made. This is made for a pest resistant.
Very correct. Very correct. It is basically for pest resistance. Okay. Okay. Now, the diameter of white blood cells in human body. Diameter of white blood cells in human body is diameter of white blood cells. It is 0.007 millimeter. Okay, 0.07 like 0.007 millimeter mm. Energy is stored during like in what form energy is stored during cellular respiration? In what form? What it is called as ATP. Energy is stored in form of ATP during cellular respiration. It is called as adenosine triphosphate. Okay. BCG vaccination is injected to get immunity from tuberculosis. Right answer. Which is associated like transport of water in plants. What part of plants plays an important role? Transport. Okay, it's xylem. It's X, not C. Xylem. Which fungi is commonly known as bread mold? Which fungi is commonly known as bread mold? Rhizopus. Now, revision of 20 questions of bio also complete. 18 questions complete. So I'll ask few people to switch on themselves. Saloni, Raj has already done it. Manju, Brundavani, Kritika, Lakshmi, and Meenu. Okay, I'll take the name. You have to answer. Okay, Brundavani, which is a large spectrum antibiotic?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Ampicillin.
I couldn't hear.
Which is a large spectrum antibiotic?
Ampicillin.
Your voice is not coming. Please answer to whom I am asking. Okay. Our bones and teeth are made up of generally what? Meenu.
Tricalcium phosphate.
Angora wool is made from? Kritika.
Sir, Angora rabbit.
Very good. What is the normal blood sugar level in a person, in a normal person keeping fast?
70 to 100.
Okay. Manju, a tree was cut cross-sectionally, so it had 25 rings in it. So what is the age of tree?
25 years.
Very correct. Bones and
50 years.
एक पड़ गया ना, गधे हो क्या? मैंने नंबर्स चेंज कर दिए. किसने बोला था 50 years? किसने?
Lakshmi. I haven't heard from.
अच्छा, मैं बहुत चालू इंसान हूँ. Lakshmi, I'll make you once upon a time there was a Lakshmi, okay? The bones are held together. The bones are held together with an elastic tissue called as. अबे यार अब नाम नहीं दिख रहा मुझे सामने. Lakshmi. Bones are held together. Okay. Bones are held together. Okay. What is required for formation of teeth? Kritika.
The calcium.
अकेले बन जाएगा.
The tricalcium phosphate.
It is calcium and phosphorus is required, so try calcium phosphate. Okay. In human beings, the sperm fertilizes with ovum in which part? Disha. Where is it? Just Saloni.
Fallopian tube.
Okay, Disha came, but she was a bit late. Okay. During the process of respiration, one of the component of air does not change. What is the component?
Nitrogen.
Okay. Hemoglobin is found in which part of human body?
Blood.
Lakshmi, blood pressure in our body is greater than atmospheric pressure or less than atmospheric pressure?
Greater.
Okay. BT brinjal was developed in order to get over with
Pest resistance.
Pest resistance.
Saloni. What is the diameter of WBC?
So 0.007 millimeter.
The सामने लिखा है.
तुम्हें चीटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए. During cellular respiration, energy is released in form of arpit. हाँ बताओ.
Fat भाई.
क्या?
Sorry, ATP. Sorry, just lost it.
ठीक है. पलक unmute. पलक कहाँ है? अच्छा ये unmute भी नहीं करेंगे. Xylem is associated with transport of water in plants. Then what is phloem associated with? Palak.
The food.
It is for the transportation of food from the leaves to other parts of the body. Plant, sorry.
ठीक है. Okay. Fungi which is commonly known as bread mold.
Rhizopus.
The rhizopus.
Very correct answer. Why flowers emit fragrance? Why flowers emit fragrance?
To attract insects.
Right answer. अब बस रुक जाओ. Which acid prevents bleeding of gums? Anyone? Which acid prevents bleeding of gums? Which acid prevents bleeding of gums? It is ascorbic acid. Right answer. Which gland in human body acts as both endocrine as well as exocrine glands? Which gland in human body acts as both endocrine and exocrine glands? It is pancreas. Pooja has answered finally a question. Very good, Pooja. Okay. So it's already 12. We have discussed approximately 71 questions. Essay questions we will discuss in future too. Okay. Like we will cover up 1,000 questions like this. Okay. In next current affairs class, I'll discuss something else. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day. And please write down the answers. Please write down the answers in that forum. Okay. And nothing else. And you won't get any reply from me for 1 or 2 days because I won't be here. Okay. So please write down the answers on the forum and I'll be back by Monday. Then I'll reply and clear all your queries. Okay.
सर वो क्लासेस 2:30 बजे से ही होंगी सर?
हाँ 2 बजे से होंगी.
सर 2 बजे से होंगी?
हाँ.
I'll
tell you. I'll tell you.
सर 3 से कर दूं?
मेरी बात तो सुन लो.
Yes, sir.
क्लासेस 2 बजे से इसलिए करी गई है मेजरली. We want to make sure that you are ready to sit 5 hours for exam. Totally आपको 7 hours you have to sit, no? 7 hours. 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, and 3 hours का gap. ठीक है? So totally 7 hours patience you need to have, and the faculty whom you have selected, like I gave you alternative faculties ना कि this. जो faculty आपके branch के लिए economics को vote किया है, that faculty is only available between 2 to 4, and he's a good faculty actually. So I wanted कि you study from 2 to 4, 2 to 7. Already fixed हो चुकी है मंजू. ठीक है, but it will be only till economics gets completed. ठीक है, it will be only till
फिर मुझे रिकॉर्डेड ही लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरा उस वक्त वर्किंग है.
हाँ एक बार देख लेना, बट जब भी हो पाए तो देख लेना. ठीक है, रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मिल जाएगी.
ओके सर.
राज क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा? अनम्यूट करना.
सर क्या अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं, किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो नहीं पता है मेरे को.
किस बारे में? अभी तक जो करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ाया था वो समझ में आ गया था?
हाँ जी सर, करंट अफेयर्स तो कर लिया, लिख भी लिए. अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्लास टाइमिंग एग्जाम वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
एग्जाम तो मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
क्लास टाइमिंग वगैरह कुछ बोल रहे हैं सर?
क्लास का टाइमिंग अभी आपने ज्वाइन किया ना, तो आपको आज संडे को शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा. शी इज वर्किंग, तो उनका जो क्लास है वो उनके वर्किंग आवर्स के साथ कोलाइड हो रहा है, तो शी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, शी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. ओके. एंड बेसिकली व्हाट आई वांट कि ना, देखो अभी से आई वांट यू टू सिट फॉर 5 hours कंटिन्यूअसली, कि व्हेन यू गो फॉर एग्जाम यू डोंट फील द स्ट्रेस. ठीक है. In batch A, I'll finish up with polity soon, so you will get that gap there. Batch A, I'll wind up the polity soon, but I am trying to explain it in a deep manner. But in batch B, what I'll do is, in batch B, in batch B, it will take some time. Now, Anjali, what you are not understanding? No, it's not for today, Kritika. It's not for today. They are talking about next week. Anjali, what you are understanding? Why? I don't understand. Why are you bothered about others' questions? She is a working person, so she's talking about that. You got it, no? Chalo, that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Take care. Have a great weekend. Okay? Bye. Take care. Anything else you guys want to share? Nothing, na? Economic. इकोनॉमिक स्टडी अच्छे से पढ़ लेना, ठीक है? ओके, चलो बाय।